For 6-7 months I had no taste, no smell, nothing at all. Life is meaningless. Well, just 10 drops in the morning for a month and everything got better. I'm quite satisfied. Completely satisfied. I recommend it. It's always available for sale at the pharmacy. I restored my smell and taste.
In the summer of 2021, the Synthesit line was expanded. In Switzerland and then in Russia, the production of Synthesit in drop form was established. The product is called Synthesit Elixir No. 1. It is available in a 10 ml packaging. Elixir No. 1 was developed for sublingual use, that is, for taking it under the tongue. It's no secret that most people have obvious or hidden intestinal dysbiosis. Pathogenic and conditionally pathogenic microflora consumes some of the active substances that enter the intestines, which reduces the effectiveness of the intake of trace elements and the absorption of nutrients from food. Substances and medications, which are absorbed directly under the tongue, enter the bloodstream immediately, allowing them to bypass the gastrointestinal tract and intestinal microflora. Therefore, sublingual administration guarantees maximum absorption of Synthesit into the bloodstream and its immediate effect. What other conveniences does liquid Synthesit No. 1 in drop form offer? It can be taken regardless of meals. It's easy to dose with a small height and weight. By entering the bloodstream through sublingual administration, Synthesit Elixir No. 1 instantly gets to work. The convenient dropper for dosing will allow you to take as many drops as you need. Just draw the liquid Synthesit into the dropper and with a light press, drop the required number of drops under your tongue. We recommend using at least 10 drops a day for a body weight of 60 kg. The dosage can be adjusted depending on weight, physical activity, and a decrease in immunity. Pay attention to your overall health. If you feel like you're starting to get sick or you have a serious load coming up, increase the daily dose by 2, 3, or 4 times. By spreading out the intake of Elixir No. 1 over several hours, use Synthesit Elixir No. 1 instead of or alongside other products from the Synthesit brand and enjoy health and energy.
Every morning on an empty stomach, under the tongue, it's great, just perfect. So we recommend it. The stuff is working and we also offer it. People are satisfied, the product works, I recommend it.